Good morning, students. How are you? So, today we are going to do a new topic, that is error finding, editing. So, what are that? If a sentence is written in a wrong sense, in a wrong way, so you have to correct it. As you have studied the types of sentences, that we have to use capital letters and punctuation marks, then it will be a complete sentence. So today we will do editing in the sentences given, but the thing is, you have to listen me very carefully, because I'll tell you the errors in the sentences, and then the reason why there is an error in the sentence. So I hope you will listen carefully, and you can copy it down in the notebook also. I'll send you the pages of these sheets. So here it is, that is common grammar mistakes which generally the people do. I will not say only the students do, people do. So just because their grammar is not strong, so if your grammar will be strong, you know the facts and reasons, then you will not do these common mistakes. So first is my car beautiful. So what? There is no verb. My car, that is a subject. Beautiful, that is an adjective. So there should be a verb, that is. So my car is beautiful, and full stop there should be at last. So that will be a correct sentence. Now the next is at Sunday. No, if particular the name of the day means day is written, so we'll say on Monday. I'll do this work on Monday. Okay. And the next is we have added, this is the correct preposition, I must say. Then the third is I play chess good. It's not good. The adverb you have to use is well. That is well. I play chess well. Next is last week I cried. We are talking about past tense, that is last week. So there we have to use the past form of the verb, that is cried. The past form of cry is cried. That's why we have to use past tense. So these are the reasons of in this sentences grammar, that why the sentences written on left are incorrect. They are mistakes. She likes cheese, but as per the sentence, as per the tense, even simple present tense, the rule is that with she, with third person, we have to use s or es in the verb. So we have to use likes. Then she likes cheese, it is done. Then how to spell. So it is not there. The helping verb should be there, that is how do you spell, and the question mark. So there should be helping verb. And at last, she is more tall. It's not like that. The comparative degree is taller. You know, tall, taller, tallest. So comparative degree will be she is taller. Now I'm going to show you some more examples. Here you can see everybody are happy. Everybody is a singular word. Somebody, nobody. So the correct one is everybody is happy. So the mistake is the verb, that is are. So we have to correct it and write down is. Now I'll tell you, okay, let's see the examples first. I'll explain you the problem. Here you have to here the object is you, and you have to write at last, that is I'll explain the problem to you. Then next is I have the possibility to study in Canada next year. When there is have, we don't have to use possibility, we have to use opportunity. That is I have the opportunity. See here, have plus opportunity we have to use with have. Okay, opportunity, the word opportunity we have to use. but possibility is like there is a possibility, means maybe I may study in Canada next year. So there is a possibility, there we use. Otherwise with have we use opportunity, the word opportunity. Next is I think she doesn't like tomatoes. Here we have to write I don't think she likes tomatoes. So here we have changed the sentence, like in subject here we have changed and she likes, we have done. Now these are the examples, you just go through it. I have attached some other files also. So the more you will the more you will read, the more you will get the idea how to write, what are the reason behind it, why it has been written, why there is a mistake. Now see this one, conditional. Do you want that I make breakfast? So the question will be, do you want me to make breakfast? It's a question. So the second one is correct. Now with thinking, the verb we have to use of or about. We don't have to use to, to, no. We have to use of, or we can use even about. Now here also they enjoyed the baseball game despite of the rain. So we can write here despite the rain, or we can write in spite of the rain. Now here this is very important, you have to listen. My 10 years old daughter, no, it's 10 year, number has been given, that is 10, adjective, that you have to write like that. Then here she is 10 years old. When we are 10, the number will be after verb, so there we have to use years. Then our house is near to the beach, not near, we have to use our house is close to the beach, or our house is near the beach. We don't have to use to with near. Then these are the correct sentences written below. That I like very much soccer, it's wrong sentence. I like soccer very much, this can be written at last. Here Gary gave to John the keys, no, Gary gave John the keys, to we don't have to add, or we can write Gary gave the keys to John. Next here inverted commas sentences, here we have to write like this. She asked me where I walk, in the past tense. Next, they left without say goodbye. So you have to write like they left without saying goodbye. Without, this is a preposition, we have to use saying. We have to use ing with the verb because that was in continuity. Then I need to finish this project, until we don't have to use, it's not going process, that we have to use by. So here you can see some wrong sentences have been written and the right ones have also been written. So you have to just go through these pages. I hope it is clear. If it is not, if it is clear, I can see it, but if it is not, you are not able to, you can contact me, I'll send you these files, these pages. So I have attached number of pages over here, so you have to go through it. Like see the third one, there is 7 girls in the class, so there should be there are 7 girls, because 7 is a plural, they are girls in plural, there are so many girls, so that's why so many means 7 girls in plural form, so you have to use are with plural. Now this is, in this you can see she is success, no, she is not success, she is successful lady. Now here my husband engineer, there is no verb, so you have to add verb. My husband is an engineer. So now here is a homework. 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 10 to 11 sentences are there. You have to correct it. These all are wrong, I'm telling you, these all are wrong. There is one error or maybe 2, So you have to write in a correct manner and show it to me. I hope you have understood it. So thank you, and I'll be looking forward for your homework and your notebooks also. Thank you students, and have a nice day ahead.